Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick trick to compress your caliper without the brake spreader. Now, the pros will tell you to open your bleeder or your master cylinder or some other technical mumbo jumbo. I didn't do any of that, but maybe you should. Okay, so we're changing brake pads, right? This is the caliper. It's out. We need to put these pistons in so they fit over the pads, right? I don't have a brake spreader, so I'm going to take a piece of wood and I'm going to take a C-clamp. Okay, so putting the C-clamp over, I'm going to try to center it right there. And then I'm just going to turn, gentle, slow, and try to be in the middle because you have two. And you're going to see, they're going to start going in. It's going to be real slow. Sometimes you gotta wait a sec and just kind of let them go. They're not gonna go quick. You gotta be patient. Give it a little pressure and let them go. See them? I don't know if you can see, but they're going in. Okay. In they go. Look at that. In they go. Let them go. Don't just keep squeezing. Let them go. Let them go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the C-clamp off, and they'll stay there. And I'll slide this thing over my brakes.